Now children, discussion of chemical properties of alkynes. Any unsaturated hydrocarbon shows addition reaction, right? For example, ethene, ethyne, any member of unsaturated hydrocarbon family, the alkene family or alkyne family always shows addition reaction, right? Now children, if molecule is heteronuclear molecule HZ, right? This Z is showing electronegative part. This Z may be Ca, may be OH, right? Then what happens in the presence of heteronuclear molecule? Then shifting of pi electrons either at first carbon or second carbon. This curved arrow is showing shifting of pi electrons at this carbon, right? Then carbon becomes negatively charged. After shifting of pi electrons, this carbon becomes negatively charged due to the presence of one pair of electrons, like this. Like this. After complete shifting of pi electrons on this carbon becomes negatively charged. Right? 1, 2, 3, and fourth one is pair of electron. 1, 2, 3, this is electron deficient center. This molecule is heteronuclear molecule. After heterolysis like this. Complete shifting of electrons, bonded electrons towards most electronegative atom. Then one part becomes electropositive and second electronegative. Right? Now first attack is made by electrophile H plus ion in this addition reaction acts as electrophile. The attack of this electrophile at the center at electron rich center and formation of new chemical bond. This hydrogen is coming from HZ. Okay? Then positive part is left. Electron deficient carbon or carbocation is left. What is the type of this carbocation? Vinylic carbocation. Vinylic. Okay children? What is vinylic linkage? CH2, double bond, CH and free bond for attachment of any atom or group of atoms. This linkage is known as vinylic linkage. Compare this cation molecule with this vinylic linkage CH2, CH2, CH, CH and one valence is free in neutral vinylic linkage. But this is vinylic cation. Vinylic cation means the center is electron deficient. Right? Only 3 valencies, 3 bonds are present. At which carbon at electron deficient center. This is vinylic cation. Second step of addition reaction is attack by nucleophile. Negative chemical species act as nucleophile and positive chemical species as electrophile. Right? Now second attack by nucleophile at the center at electron deficient center or positive center. Then formation of new chemical, this one C and Z, formation of new chemical bond. Right? One electron pair is already present. This pair of electron forms bond between Z and carbon. Now this is the addition. This is showing addition of HZ to ethyne. Okay. One step of addition reaction is left. On further addition reaction, then saturated hydrocarbon, saturated product is obtained. But when limited amount is taken, then final product is alkene type of product. Right? Now children, example of addition reaction, addition of hydrogen is also known as hydrogenation. Addition of hydrogen to ethyne. First member of alkyne family is ethyne. In the presence of catalyst like nickel, palladium, platinum. Then what happens? Hydrogenation, this H2. Only to differentiate this hydrogen and hydrogen atoms which are already present in ethyne. Right? This color, this pink color hydrogen is showing dihydrogen. It means hydrogen gas. Then addition of hydrogen addition of hydrogen and formation of ethene in one step of hydrogenation reaction, or in one step or first step of addition reaction of ethyne with hydrogen gives ethene, right? This product is written in square bracket, it means unstable reactant. The second step of addition reaction in the presence of same type of reactant, which is hydrogen. When hydrogen is taken in excess, then complete addition reaction takes place. And what is the nature of final product? Saturated. This is ethane, right? C2. Its molecular formula is C2H6 ethane. 2 carbon containing saturated product. This is ethene. Right? Formula you know very well, C2H4. Its molecular formula is C2H4. Okay children? What is the type of this hydrogenation? Catalytic hydrogenation, because this hydrogenation reaction occurs in the presence of catalyst like nickel or palladium or platinum. Okay children? Chemical properties are very important for conversion. Right, one type of question in organic chemistry is conversion. How will you convert the given reactant into the final product? If given reactant is ethyne and final product is ethane, then how will you convert ethyne into ethane? By hydrogenation reaction, by addition reaction. Why? By hydrogenation reaction, because in final product only carbon and hydrogen elements are present. Third atom is absent. This is simple addition reaction in the presence of hydrogen, which is also known as hydrogenation reaction. Okay children?